In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Facebook. Whether you're updating to a new Gmail account or just want to change your contact info, I've got you covered, so let's jump right in. First things first, open Facebook. Make sure you're logged in with your current email and password. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Under the General Account Settings, tap on it. Tap on Personal Details and here tap on Contact Info. Simply tap on your email or simply go to Add New Contact. Here you can add email address. Enter your new email address. If you want to keep your old email, you can add it as well. After entering the new email, tap Save Changes. Facebook may ask you to enter your password for security purposes. Just follow the prompts. Check your new email inbox for a verification email from Facebook. Click on the link in that email to confirm your new address, and that's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Facebook.